Welcome to Congo. This is Uganda. Tusonge mbele.
Tunawakaribisha kwa siku ya leo. Tunafurahi sana. Tunaenda kula leo chakula yetu ya Kikongomani inaitwa Sombe. Asante sana.
So in this video we're going to have like 3 different languages, but I hope you'll be following us. So tutwale mu maaso tugenda fumba kira bakitegeka batya.
Tugenda fumba sombe. Era sombe no mulungi nnyo. Ayambira dala mu mubiri. Naye mu kumufumba tugenda soko kukola ki? Okumujjako bino ebititie nga olina okufumba era olina soko atereza nva bulungi. Then we tumala tusiike. Bulungi tusekule. After kusekula tuteke butungulu, garlic, ntangauzi, byonna.
Ebyo byonna bisekulira wamu ne sombe.
Byonna bisekulira wamu.
Chekiddako nga tuvudde.
Nga mazo bisekula, then onotegeka kyoto, n'enfumba amazzi. Gaja bulungi nga gatokose olabira ddala nti no gatokose. Oteka mu sombe, noteka mu buto ow'ebinazi. Mu Luswayiri tuyita ngazi. Oteka mu buto ow'ebinazi. Then nobikako ekisanikira n'otunyo otutini. Obilekako dakiika eriwerako ne bitokota. Ebitokotera ddala. Ya.
Oyogedde ku mugaso gwa isombe eri omukazi.
Omukazi eyazadde kati waliwo bano bamama eyazadde naye nga alina obuzibu mu kufuna amata. Omukazi ddala ng'ozadde ebyo byekwaseze ddala kuba biyamba w'obirira we bati olabirawo change amata gafuna mu bulungi bebinaba okennyo.
Kino kiwedde. So tubulye ku birungo ki by'oteekamu?
Ebirungo byenteekamu byo oteekamu era garlic, katungulu, bilinganya kisindira kugwe kyoyagala nga gwe. Naye nga birungo bigenda mu bingi.
Nino bunzali bwendabye wano. Sibula nko wano ne mubujja wammwe.
Obwo bwaffe bwa Kongo era tubusuula Kongo ne tubuleetera ddala wano.
Oba Kongo paka wano nga
paka wano.
Kinewunyisizza nnyo.
Yeah, checho.
So thank you so much for watching. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. And if you have been with us, thank you so much. wane Uganda bwe tufumba envangezo tugambe nyama byennyanja tugambe nyama emmere gye tulirako ennyo ttooke kati mmere ki gy'oyinza okulira ku nva zino ze tufumbye
zino nva zaffe ze tufumbye leero ky'oyinza olirako kyo tekirina buzibu naye ekisingira ddala okuwomerako olirako akawunga kano akataliko akasooli akali mixi kawunga ne muwogo then wobimixinga ate kiba kiri beta nnyo naye olirako muceere oba lumonde kiri gy'oli naye nga mmere nnungi nnyo n'ekirala kye mbadde neerabira bagamba eyo sombe tuteekamu fishe makayabu oba kyennyanja ekikalu in case oba oyagala oteekamu kigere kisinzira ku gwe kikyoyagala
kigere kyente
ekyente ya
naye ekyomuntu
nedda ssebo
Finally know what we do here best. After cooking and after showing you how different foods are cooked, we eat them and we share our opinion. This is my first time to taste such a food. No, by the sauce, this is my second time. If you watched my video I did in Jinja, the Soga region, it's called the life of a typical village girl with food. It was a collab with Salad Tourist. So let us taste and see what's the difference.
Okay.
I need to first.
But wait, do I just swallow or I chew a little bit? I do what I want. Eh?
Yes.
You know, I come from Torre. We don't chew. We don't chew this kind of food.
Actually, they taste like dodo. You know dodo?
That is right.
There is fish in this, so that taste changes completely.
Definitely. And another thing, mine is a little bit spiced since I've added some pepper.
So I eat your pepper alone. This is, I don't know if is the salt enough or it was.
I think the salt is okay.
It's okay. Okay.
It's enough. And I don't know if I should call it posho or what, but I should say it is a little bit soft. That is nice. So I think it's nice. It's nice.
Yes. Actually, I was scared to be open with you. I never wanted to eat this.
Definitely. Like me, eh?
But we believe that if you go somewhere and then that person you visited gives you something to eat and you refuse, that
it doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Doesn't look good. It's good. I've never eaten such food. But I think
Congolese eat
next time I find such food, I would just be like, please work on me soon.
So everywhere I go, I meet different people, different girls, and whenever they cook food, I feel like I should get a wife from that tribe.
Do you literally meet girls only?
Because they know how to cook. No.
So let us cut the long story short. Do you want to propose?
Not to propose. I think I should get a friend from Congo, a girlfriend from Congo.
Hey. Then one from Busoga.
Yes, then
one from
Busoga,
Ankole.
one from Ankole. Those are regions I've gone to. But soon we'll be going to northern Uganda.
I'm not getting one from there. I'm not getting one from there because
there is a tribe where you have to fight a lady. If you win the fight,
and I won't fight a lady. That's why I was like, I'm not going there. I'm not getting one.
I'm ready for anything. I'm ready for anything.
They will kill you, my brother. You'll be killed for nothing in the quest of finding a wife.
I'm from Uganda. And if you eat certain foods, to my side or to me, I feel like there's no food is scarce. We are going into drought or famine.
So you literally don't throw food?
No. What I'm meaning is, if you start eating this kind of sauce, that shows that we no longer have enough food in Uganda.
By
But
the
if
way,
you go to other regions, you explore, you learn the way they take their lives and the way of which kind of food they eat.
True.
Yes.
In fact, where I come from, I come from Toro, and at our place, we literally don't eat such stuff. I don't know if I know my culture better, but from the family I come, we don't eat such sauce. But I can assure you, with millet flour, we are good. We are good. You can't go there and like find like 2 families without a saucepan that prepares that. Basically, that food only specifically for that food.
It's like in Uganda, there is a saucepan for banana and then for posho.
Definitely. To give respect to food.
Yes, we give respect to food. So there is that taste that comes after you have chewed it. If that is the right word. There is that last taste that comes in the mouth. I don't know if you can feel it.
I'm trying to feel it.
It tastes like grass to me.
Definitely.
I think we should stop here.
This is nice.
Whether there is fish.
Since it's my first time, and according to the taste I've got, I would literally say it's nice. According to the way it was prepared, I've never seen anyone prepare it. I've literally never tasted anything prepared like this. So I will say 10 out of 10. However, I'll reserve the 2.
You always reserve the 2.
I love the 2. Take the 8. I've given you big. So let me reserve the 2. Maybe if I one time go somewhere and I find someone who has prepared something like this in the same manner, then I will come back and give her the 2. So I'm keeping it as a balance. Just in case I find someone who has prepared it like this and it doesn't reach this extent, then I will bring back her 2. But today, I think I'll give her 8 because it feels nice, first time, and the taste isn't bad, though I've never tasted it, but I like it on the first test. So that is it.
But there is that taste that comes into your mouth
after eating.
It's like
actually I can't define it because there is fish, peanuts, again this whatever. So there is a way how it is kind of funny though. Thank you so much, our viewers that have been with us. Ren Rogers is my name from Ren Films. I've been hosted here today. I've actually been privileged to be hosted here as a chief food tester. Hey. You know, I'm getting experience in this particular job. I think I should now upgrade to an international market.
But you need to finish this food.
Let that one be another person.
Maybe we will take this for dinner. And even for breakfast.
We shall look into that.
Okay. Thank you so much for keeping yourself on eating the African way. I know you have learned something today. You can also share your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell us what you know about cassava leaves, Sombe. There are a few tribes in Uganda which eat such a food or such a sauce. You know, those kind of people?
I don't know if they do eat Sombe.
The Basoga do.
But I've ever heard of Basoga and maybe Bagisu that side.
Bagisu, Konjo.
Bakonjo.
I think those are three.
But
even
there is a relationship between Bakonjo and Bakongo. Not so.
I think they are.
Since they are
near.
close, they share some like even features, and they share even physical features. Like actually, when we say physical features,
where is Rwenzori? That side.
Rwenzori that side. It's actually the border of Uganda and Congo. So I think they cross and even intermarriage.
Hey, so when you go to Congo. No, when you go to...
In fact, when you go to Rwenzururu, Bukonjo, you have like 98% chances of entering Congo. You can literally snatch a wife from there slowly and bring her to Uganda. Shoo! You are married already.
Thank you so much. Catch up in the next video.
We love you. Subscribe.